How would Jordan do in today's game? Because I've heard a lot of people, man, Jordan averaged 60. Jordan would average 70. In today's game, the rules as they are, how would Jordan do and how many points do you believe he would average?
I don't think anybody's averaging 60 or 70.
Okay.
So that's, those days are over with. But I will say this, Michael Jordan would average whatever he want to average.
You believe he can get 40 a night?
Yeah, there's no question about it.
I don't know how you get to 40 without that three ball.
Well, Jordan's going to go to the free throw line more than he did back then because we were able to beat him up.
Right.
And it was ignored to a
Right.
certain extent. And he added the three ball in his career. That wasn't his specialty.
Right.
But it wasn't like he was a liability shooting the basketball.